Hi, my name's John McKaig. I'm licensed real estate representative with Royal LePage RCR in Alliston. Been licensed since 2000. Today I want to talk about the topic of mortgage and what is required by somebody applying for a mortgage. And in order for a mortgage to actually be created, what kind of information is necessary. There's a long list of things that are required. The first is a legal description of the property. So that information is obtained from the land registry office. Every property that exists has a legal description. So quite often it will be a lot and concession and even a part number. So if it's a smaller piece of property within a certain lot, it will have a part number. Building specifications, so they're going to want to know, the mortgage company is going to want to know what exists on the property. So they want to know, is it two-story, bungalow, is it just a barn? What are the dimensions and what type of heating and what kind of well, septic, any of that information they're going to be asking for. So they're going to want to see a copy of the listing. They're going to want to see some photos just so they can familiarize themselves with the property. They want the most recent tax assessment. That information is available. We can get that off MPAC. And if you need that information, I can provide that to you. They're going to possibly want an appraisal. What I can do is I can provide an opinion of value. An opinion of value is my opinion of what the property is worth based on sales in that area within a certain period of time. I go to great lengths to put an opinion of value together. It's quite often a 20 or 25 page document that you can provide to the bank and they can read it over. It will give all the description of the property. It will have photos. It will have comparables, and it will have a written description of the property and how I feel that property should be priced in today's market based on what comparable sales have been. If the bank does need an appraisal, then what I would do is I would put you in touch with an appraisal company. Their appraisal companies, they are legally or licensed. They are licensed to do appraisals, and they're a little bit more in depth than even the opinion value that I do, but they are recognized by banks, and quite often if a bank needs a full-blown appraisal, that's what you'll have to do. There's a significantly added cost to that, but in order for the bank to provide the money, that's what they're going to look for. They're going to ask for a inspection report. So we should have a professional home inspector take a look at the property and provide a report. You may need a land survey, so if there's a survey already exists for the property, we need to provide that. If there isn't one, then we would need to have one done, whether it's at the expense of the seller or of the purchaser. Quite often we ask for that as condition of purchase, and that's at the expense of the seller of the property. Need estimates on the recent and future renovations. The bank needs to know if you are doing renovations or if there have been renovations in the past, what kind of expenses are going to be incurred or have been incurred. They would like to see some sort of invoices just to back up or estimates to back up what these prices are. Utility costs. So we can ask for copies of the last 6 or 12 months utility costs for a property. Condo fees. So if it is a condo, they would like to know what the condo fees are, how recently they were increased, and what do those condo fees cover. And the last is they'll need a copy of a signed offer. They would like to see what the terms and conditions and what the final sale price of the property is established. So those are the information that banks will need or lenders will need in order to move forward with a mortgage. I can provide that information to them. I just need to know what they are looking for. So if you are talking to a lender as part of the purchase of a property, feel free to let me know and I can provide that information to them. If you are thinking about buying or selling, I certainly appreciate the opportunity to talk to you. If you know of somebody that's thinking about buying or selling, whether they're family, friends, or business acquaintances, I'd certainly appreciate you passing their name on to me or my name on to them. You can contact me in person, 7 Victoria Street West in Alliston, or phone local is 705-435-3000. My Toronto line 1-866-772-5368. My cell phone is 705-791-2221. My email address is johnmccaig@royallepage.ca. My website is www.johnmccaigsells.ca. And my Facebook business page is at John McCaig Realtor. So thanks very much for your time. I certainly appreciate the opportunity to talk to you. If you enjoy this video, please feel free to like it. I have a series of other videos that you can also take a look at. They are on my business page. I'd be happy to connect you with my business page. Again, I appreciate the opportunity. Feel free to contact me anytime. Thanks very much and have a great day. Bye for now.